In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how you can make your first $150 if you're a complete beginner by just putting some links, and you just need to copy and paste the links in the place which I'm going to share with you guys. It's totally easy. People are doing this method, are making money, and trust me, $150 is just my assumption. You can make way more money by being an expert in the strategy which I'm going to share with you guys step by step. Now, before we dive into the strategy, if you are new to my channel Mr. Influencer is all about how you can make a living from your home, quit your job, and then living a life of freedom. So if you are that person, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bells so that you can notified whenever we drop a brand new video like this one. With that being said, let's home. Today's website is called clickbank.com. Now, what is ClickBank? ClickBank is basically a platform where thousands of products are there for you to do an affiliate. You need to do affiliate marketing. That's what this video is about. You can see here categories: arts and entertainment, education, games, green products, self-help. Okay, pretty much there are thousands of products listed here. What you have to do is come to ClickBank, register for free. You just need to click on this create account, and then it's very simple to do. Just put in your general informations like your country, first name, last name, and then your city, phone number. Next step is your banking information and then your account information, and that's it. Your account is now created. What you have to do is find a product which I'm going to share with you guys how to find a quick product which has higher commissions in a few minutes. You just need to go and see a product which is selling like fire on ClickBank, and then promote that product in the website which I'm going to share with you guys. Now, if you have seen my earlier video, it's the same video which I used the power of the big daddy of all, Google, to find me a place by which I can land my affiliate link there, and most likely people will come. It's a like free traffic for me. Google is providing free traffic for me so that I can put the links there and get customers. Okay, if you are not watching the video, I recommend you to go watch that. The video is somewhere in the car here in the card, and the link is down in the description as well. Go and check it out. Now, you can do both basing or click, and you can follow the Google steps. And also in this video I'm going to share with you a website which is not as powerful as Google but similar to that of the power of Google. So hang on with me. Now, there is a short little disclaimer. I want you to bear with me for the next few minutes, because if you step I want you to go through each and every step. Okay, if you miss some points at the end of the video, you will not understand the whole strategy, and you leave by having you will be out of the chance of making a good amount of money online, and is the easiest way which I cannot say. And the whole strategy is 100% free. If you are just a beginner, so hang on, it's 100% free. You don't need to empty your pocket. Rather, I will share this method which will fill your pocket. Okay, so hang on. Now, after you have you created your account, come inside your account, and I want you to click in the upper part. This is called marketplace, and you will land on this page. Like I said, different categories. Okay, there are pretty much thousands of products on ClickBank, but not every product is selling like fire. Okay, smart thing is find a product which is selling like hotcakes on ClickBank. Now, for this example, I will go, let me say education. I'll go for cooking. Okay, for this particular example, and then the sub menu will pop up with these all sub menus. Like in this also I want to click on cooking. Now what it will do is list me every product which is related to cooking. Now, first and foremost, when you're searching for product, go for a popular niche. Like health and fitness is a popular niche, cooking is a popular niche, and then e-marketing and e-business, this is also a popular niche. Go for the popular niches. First, guys, the step is that go for popular niches, and second is whatever you type, I want you to sort it by gravity. What this does is gravity basically list of products in an order which has sold like hotcake the previous month. It is very smart, like I said, to sell the products which are already hot on the market. So this one is selling like fire on ClickBank on this cooking niche. If I promote this product, if someone comes to buy a link from my link, I get $16. If I do this, this is $14.5. This is $14. Okay, $8. Now, for this example, I will select this one. Okay, step one is finding a popular niche. Step two is sorted by gravity, and the third step is go and see what this page looks like. Okay, never recommend a page which is too colorful or too annoying to see. If you yourself don't like it, then how you expect from others to like it as well? Let me see. This website is pretty cool. It's very simple. Okay, everything's laid out and the information is so good. It's pretty much like Google, right? Google just has a logo and below is a search bar, and that's it. The biggest daddy of internet has very simple. Okay, simple things works great. Now this is good. I'm okay with this product. Now what I'll do is click on this red button, promote, and here you need to generate your hop links. Hop links is basically your link, unique affiliate link, which you will share on a website, which I'm going to share with you guys. So you can see here 75% of commission if you have that sale. Now I recommend you to go for recurring commissions or a 75% commission or more. Now why is this? Because a 25% product and a 75% commission products has the same amount of hard work. Nothing is less for 25 or greater for 75. That is the same amount of hard work. So why not go for 75% with the same hard work? Do you get my point? Click on the generate hop links, and a unique generate clickbank link will be generated. Just copy it. Now if you look on this link is very spammy. I myself will not click a link. Sorry, I will not click this link whenever I see another website. What I want you to do is close this one and then come over a website called bitly.com. Yes, this is 100% free. You need to click on create, paste that ugly link here, and then create, and a new sexy link will be generated. See, that's it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Just that's it. Your then this is only your link. So I'll be happy to click on this rather than click on that ugly one. So what you need to do is copy. Now here is the quick recap of what we have done. We have registered for ClickBank, and then we have searched a popular niche product that is cooking, and we then sorted by gravity, and then we have seen the page. The page is also okay. Now we have come to Bitly. After generating your unique hop link, we have come to Bitly and generated our Bitly link, which is very sexy. Now here is the main thing. Where do you find handpicked of free customers who are ready to buy from you? And everyone knows it. Any guesses? Let me know in the comment section if that you guessed something. It is as popular as Google, and it has millions of users. So hang on with me, and it's called facebook.com. Anyone gets correct, let me know in the comment section. So I have come to Facebook and I've searched the same thing, cooking niche, and then I've sorted by groups. What is this is going to list me all the groups related to the niche, like this one. 2.1 million members, 49 members, 21k, 29k, 646k. There's a huge numbers in the group. What I want to do is to join each and every group and post as much as links possible in their group section. Now here is an important thing. Don't just put your affiliate links there. There are chances are that your account get banned. What I want you to do is first, if for this particular example, if I am going to promote a product which says me how to make a delicious biryani, what I will do is firstly I will type in people make mistakes, most common mistakes about biryani, and then they have to rectify this one, and I learned from this one. There is the product. You can recommend products rather than just selling. Selling doesn't work, but recommendation highly works. And the storytelling, it sells like hot fire. Okay, now what like I said, join each and every groups, post regularly with your affiliate links, and trust me, for this example, this one, if you join this group, 2.1 million members, if you have some valuable post, valuable content, and then your link. And then another thing which I will share with you guys is don't put your links in the first, rather put in the middle on the last. It increases the chances that you get clicked on your link. Now 2.1 million members, this one, cooking made easy. If you post a link, if it's let's say 1,000 people, okay, just it's very small number, just 1,000 people came across your link, your valuable content, and in that 10 clicked and just 1 bite, it's very least I'm saying you can make a good amount of money with this only one group. 1,000 10 click and 1 bite is very minimum. Okay, 1,000 click and 20 to 30 bite it. Okay, that's the correct thing. You can make money easily without spending any dime. The whole strategy is completely free, and then In return, I am selling you strategy which will fill your pocket with nothing spent. That's great, right? If you have this video brought value to you, help me by tapping that like button. And here is the most important thing of all. 99% of people do not take action, they do not implement, because success lies in beyond implementation. People just watch the video and then they leave. Either they skip the video or they say this is not for me. The state of mind is very lazy, that they do not want to work hard, they just want to money come in and in and in. How can that be done? First you need to work some hard work you should put on from your side, then only you can see a good amount of money online. But be the 90 don't be the 99%, rather be the 1% of person who takes action, goes to Clickbank, generates this unique link, comes to Facebook, and then tries on and on and on. Now I cannot guarantee that you from this, if you post one link you can get 2 customers, so if you post 10 links you can 100 customers. It totally lies on your hard work. You need to constantly post on Facebook, so that the chances that your link is your audience views the links gets higher and higher and higher. You can see pretty much fully loaded with this niche. Cooking is a very popular niche, I said. That's why I said you to pick a popular niche. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you again to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can notify whenever we drop a brand new video like this one. With that being said, see you in the next one.